welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to make 3 varieties of muffins. I'll be making the mixed dried fruits muffins, some pecan nut muffins, and chocolate chunk muffins. To make chocolate chunk muffins, I have some chocolate chunk milk chocolate. I have caster sugar, some eggs, milk, melted butter, pinch of salt, self-raising flour, nutmeg, and baking powder. And to do the final bit of it, I've got a baking pan. You can either grease this with some oil or butter, or you can just place into them the muffin cases. To make the muffins, I'm going to use the all-in mixing method, which means adding all the ingredients except the nut or the chocolate chips, which will be mixing at the end. So I'm adding in the sugar into my mixing bowl, my nutmeg, baking powder, and the self-raising flour. I'm adding in the eggs, the milk, the melted butter, and a pinch of salt. Mix the mixture into a soft batter. You can either use a wooden spoon or you can use your mixing machine or a hand whisk if you have one. Pour the chocolate chunks into the batter. Mix together. Place the muffin cases into your muffin pan or grease the muffin pan and add spoonfuls of the batter into your cases. Bake at 170 degrees for about 15 minutes. The muffins are ready. I'm going to place them on cake wire to enjoy.